Friends, recently there were engine failure and the car was not gaining momentum. Check it, spark plugs, wires, coils, everything was in order. The problem turned out to be in the injector wires. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. I purchased this set of injectors and will install them. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.